console, the finest tunes of music I've taught all. I also play fiddle in the orchestra's court.
And I'm the mother named Anna Maria, taking care of the family is my chosen career, surrounded by music and those I adore. Now tell me, could anyone ask for much more?
Hello everyone, Nana was my name. Being Wolfgang's sister is my claim to claim. I also love music and never get bored. For spend hours playing my clavichord. I'm Roach the Canary, I love that. I've been
My friends of sight from now prepared for some musical songs. Papa, please, Papa dear, I've written some music I want you to hear. Come now, Wolfgang, don't answer. The silliest thing I've ever heard.
Let's you really stand out like you should be.
My gracious, this music is really quite good. It's a difficult piece, you know, how could that be? That's why it's called a concerto, you see. Must learn every note. It takes day and night. Practice and practice till you get it right. It's a marvelous work, a sight to behold. It's a thing my son's only 4 years old.
Your son is a genius, I hereby proclaim. Someday the world will remember his name.
It's very clear to see that he is quite a genius, everyone. It's very clear to see that we have quite a genius for a son. Who would have thought in our little lives, only 4 years old, writing melodies that someday on the whole will be known. He's a Mozart we truly would love to win the talent you've heard so much of. All the poor folks, these musicians are destined to